Today, we're diving into a topic that's been popping up a lot in mom groups and online forums: DIY baby formula recipes. Spoiler alert, it's not as Pinterest perfect as it seems. So stick around because we're going to talk about why these recipes might be more dangerous than you realize and what you can do instead to make sure that your baby gets the best start in life. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Stephanie, your doula and lactation consultant bestie, here to help you rock pregnancy, birth, and breastfeeding like a pro. Here's the deal. You may have seen these homemade formula recipes floating around online. Maybe it's been with a blog post, a TikTok, or even your great aunt's secret recipe from the 70s. They're marketed as natural, as cost-effective, or better than store-bought, right? And I get it. The idea of whipping up something in your kitchen feels wholesome, like you're doing the absolute best for your baby. But here's the thing. Just because it's homemade doesn't mean it's safe. Your baby's nutritional needs are specific, like rocket science level specific. Baby formula is designed to try to mimic breast milk, well, as closely as possible. It's got the exact balance of proteins and fats and vitamins and minerals that your little one would need in order to grow and thrive. And that's not something you can easily replicate at home. Homemade formulas often miss key nutrients like iron or DHA, which are crucial for brain and body development. Here's where things get a little scary. DIY formulas can actually put your baby at risk. Some common dangers include contamination. Your kitchen isn't a sterile lab. Improper balance. Too much or too little of certain ingredients can actually harm your baby's health. Digestive issues. Homemade recipes might not be as gentle on your baby's tummy as you think. Long-term problems. Missing out on key nutrients could lead to developmental delays or health issues down the road. So you may be thinking, what's a mama to do if breastfeeding isn't going as planned or you need to supplement? First off, breathe. There's no shame in needing a little help. And here's some safe alternatives that you can try. Commercial baby formula. It's regulated, safe, and designed for your baby's needs. Donor milk. Check with a certified milk bank for screened and pasteurized breast milk. Breastfeeding support. If you're struggling, don't give up. Reach out to a lactation consultant, someone like myself, to help you get back on track. And if you haven't already, check out my Bump to Bundle Blueprint, where I walk you through everything you need to know about preparing for birth and breastfeeding success. I know this journey can feel overwhelming sometimes, but you're not alone, and you don't have to DIY your way through everything. In this case, stick with trusted resources, and your baby will thrive. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a fellow mama, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips every week. Until next time, you've got this, and I'm here to help you every step of the way. See you in the next video.